Welcome to another episode of the Retirement Defense Download. Hopefully you've been enjoying the series that we've been putting out there. A lot of great informational pieces to help you with your financial planning and your goals and the things that you come up against in the stock market and in the world today of finance. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about stock market volatility as well as inflation. You know, when the markets get crazy and they're going up and down and many times in a place of just what we like to refer to uncertainty, because there's so many factors that come into play, whether it's Fed raising interest rates or inflation being on the rise or some sort of world event, the market starts to become a little bit sporadic, a little bit manic, you might say, and it's all because of uncertainty. It just doesn't know what to do. I actually like to use the term when I'm visiting with people about the two-step. And it might be 2 steps forward, 1 step backward. It might be 1 step forward, 2 steps backward. Are you in a bear market? Are you in a bull market? These are all things that we worry about when it comes to investing. And so stock market volatility really comes to the forefront when there is a lot of uncertainty out there. And usually what we like to tell people is, if that's happening, you just don't do anything. And what I mean by that is, don't literally do nothing, but review your plan. What are your goals? What are you trying to accomplish? How are your investments allocated? Do you have a good, diverse investment allocation with a lot of different asset classes, a lot of different types of investments, stocks and bonds, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, other alternative investments like CDs or annuities or insurances? What does your plan look like and what are you trying to accomplish? And if you understand that and you have a good plan in place, then when times of uncertainty come around, you don't have to be as fearful, because the stock market volatility isn't going to hurt you as much because you've put a plan in place. Now, inflation is a big part of that. Inflation is a concern. When things start to cost more, and we see it every day, when you go to the grocery store, when you go to the gas station, is my money going to last long enough? These are all things that we should be thinking about and we should pay attention to very closely. So the way you do that is you get a second opinion. You review what your ultimate goals are. You review what's going on inside of your accounts. And hopefully in doing so, you have a better picture of where things are going and what needs to be done, if anything. Now, normally I'll tell people in times of uncertainty, stock market is being volatile, inflation's high, the Fed's talking about raising interest rates. What do? Nothing. There's an old saying, you should play dead. You know, if a bear market's coming, play dead. Just like if you saw a bear in the woods, just play dead. Don't do anything. Sit back and wait. And it doesn't mean literally do nothing. It just means you should really reassess that situation again and be cautious about any changes you're making. If you haven't reviewed or you haven't rebalanced your accounts in quite some time, then you do want to sit down and take a look at them. Maybe hire a financial advisor, ask for some opinions, see what they can give some suggestions on to make sure that your risk tolerance is in alignment with what you're ultimately trying to accomplish. So with that, I thank you for watching another Retirement Defense Download. Hopefully you enjoy this series as we continue to roll out new topics and ideas. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get updated when new videos come live, as well as feel free to reach out to us if we can answer any financial questions. We'd love to get together with you and see how we can help. I hope all is well and look forward to visiting with you and sharing some more insight down the road.